Very pleasant morning to all my lovely students. So, we have completed the chapter number 23, which was about the role of state to distributing in the resources. And what resources we have discussed about the health facilities of the particular citizens of that area. Fine. So, today I'm explaining some short forms which comes again and again in your chapter. So, first short form we have done about the NITI-IO. Fine? NITI-IO. So, it means National Institution for Transforming India. Fine? National Institutions for Transforming India. It is the short form is the NITI-IO. Fine? Next is WHO. सबको पता है वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट इज NRHM. नेशनल रूरल हेल्थ मिशन. ठीक है, नेशनल रूरल हेल्थ मिशन. फाइन, इसको इस तरह से याद करेंगे तो बहुत इजी रहेगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, अब यहाँ पे NRHM इज देयर. नाउ देयर इज NUHM. यहाँ पे U का चेंज है, U मीन्स अर्बन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. नेशनल अर्बन हेल्थ मिशन. It means this work in the rural area. Rural means villages and backward areas, and this work in the urban areas. It means cities and developed area. Fine. Next is CHC. Fine. CHC. It means community health centers. Community health centers. ये भी हो गया हमारा. Next is SDGs. SDGs. S means sustainable, D means development, and G means goals. Fine. Sustainable development goals. Clear? Again I am repeating once again. NITI, National Institutions for Transforming India. WHO, World Health Organization. NRHM, National Rural Health Mission. NUHM, National Urban Health Mission. CNC means Community Health Centers. SDGs means Sustainable Development Goals. Now you have to do these all short forms in your notebook only. Fine? सभी को ये notebook में work में ये करना है from starting. Now next about the word to know. Some keywords are there in your book. जैसा कि हम करते हैं chapter के starting में. There are first word is the promotives, trendings to the further encourage or improve. Second is curatives, that which cure to make one better. Cure करना यानी इलाज करना या उसे और better बनाना. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दो ही वर्ड हैं आपकी पूरी बुक में, कुछ ज़्यादा वर्ड है नहीं. तो these two words also you will done in your notebook. Fine. First is the promotives and second is curative. Now come to the question and answer. So first question is tick the correct option. Fine. What is the first question? Tick the correct option. Now I am reading the questions. I have written the right option on the board. I have also sent the PDF. So first question, listen carefully, समझेंगे अच्छे से. First question is the primary functions of any government is to. किसी भी government का primary functions यानी जो main work होता है क्या होता है? First है use resources for the welfare of its citizen, कि resources का use किया जाए citizens के welfare के लिए. दूसरा है make profit oriented policies, and C is the defend the country. अब यहाँ पे देखिए first option is suitable, use resources for the welfare of the citizen, कि resources का use करना ताकि लोगों की जो welfare हो सके, भलाई हो सके. सेकेंड ऑप्शन देखिए मेक प्रॉफिट, गवर्नमेंट का ये वर्क नहीं होता है कि वो मेक प्रॉफिट के लिए करे, और डिफेंड द कंट्री, कंट्री को बचाने के लिए नहीं. तो दिस answer is A. A option, use resources for the welfare of its citizen. Now next question is a resources allocation plan must. कोई भी रिसोर्स का अलोकेशन प्रोग्राम की किस तरह से उसे कहां पर खर्च किया जाएगा, तो राइट ऑप्शन इज सूट द नीड्स ऑफ द पीपल, क्योंकि रिसोर्स का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया जाता है लोगों की नीड्स के अकॉर्डिंग. फाइन, सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग the state government nowadays carries out the program for resource allocation through the किसके जरिए जो है जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है कैरी करती प्रोग्राम. पहले तो ये प्लानिंग कमीशन करता था, हमने किया था, अब कौन करता है? NITI. फाइन, सो आंसर इज सी, NITI. पहले बिफोर द 2013 पहले प्लानिंग कमीशन था, अब उसका ये किसने ले लिया? NITI. तो राइट ऑप्शन इज NITI. फोर्थ इज the National Rural Health Mission was launched in, अब यहाँ पर रूरल हेल्थ का पूछा है, सो आंसर इज 2005. ए ऑप्शन. अगर अर्बन का पूछता तो आंसर होता 2013. फाइन, तो यहाँ पे पूछा किसका? रूरल का, सो आंसर इज 2005. ए ऑप्शन. Now fifth is the health index was prepared by the प्लानिंग कमीशन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ केरला, NITI आयोग. इसमें भी क्या जाएगा? NITI आयोग. The right option. Now come to the true and false. Fine. So first true and false is asking that a country resources can be natural, materials and human. Fine. So These is the true option. बिल्कुल सही है, तीन तरह के रिसोर्सेज हैं. सो फर्स्ट आंसर इज ट्रू. देन NITI आयोग is headed by the governor. No, false. Third is the minister introduced the bill in the assembly to the help of the officials work under him. बिल्कुल सही है, true option. The Janani Suraksha Yojana program in the Kerala conduct the medical camps to remote the tribal area. ये भी बिल्कुल true है. And immunization services has helped to save many of child life in Kerala. ये भी true है. यानी एक को छोड़कर सारे आपके इसमें true है, सेकंड में false है, बाकी सारे आपके हैं true option. Now come to the answer in one sentence, कि एक सेंटेंस में आपको इसका आंसर देना है. So first question is, so students, after the MCQs and true and false, there is a third question of your book. Answer the following question in one sentence. Fine. So question you have to see from your book. I am explaining the answers only. So first question is asking that who makes the decision regarding the resource allocation? कौन decide करता है? First it was decided by the planning commission. Now the NITI आयोग makes the decisions regarding resource allocation. Fine. One sentence का ही आंसर है. So answer is NITI. Question number 2. Mention the three dimensions of the health. हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. 3 dimensions है: physical health, social health and mental health. Clear? Now third question is which are the 2 types of health services available to the people of India? Very easy questions. 2 types of health facilities: public health facilities and private healthcare facilities. Fine. Public healthcare facilities run by the government and it's run by the individual. Now fourth question is asking when was the National Rural Health Missions NRHM launched in India? So it is launched in 2005. One word का answer is in 2005. Now last question number 5 is what is the health management information system? What is the health management? Fine. So I have taken these answers from your book. According to this, the state is also initiating a health management. State का क्या काम है? Health management का सारा work करना. Information for the online reporting and a variety of medical data which are necessary for the health care. यानी ऑनलाइन सारा ही रिकॉर्ड रखा जाता है किसमें, हेल्थ मैनेजमेंट में ऑनलाइन रिपोर्ट किया जाता है, एनालिसिस किया जाता है, मेडिकल डाटा रखा जाता है, जो बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है कंपेयर करने के लिए कई बार क्या कि अगर हमें कुछ गोल अचीव नहीं होते हैं तो उसकी क्या ड्रॉबैक्स रहे जिससे वो आगे इम्प्रूव कर सके. सो दीज ऑल आर द पार्ट ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. फाइन. So question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 I have explained you. Again I am explaining all 3 questions. Question number 1 का आंसर है NITIO. Second is 3 dimensions is physical health, social health and mental health. Third is 2 types of health facilities are public health facilities and private healthcare facilities. Fourth is it's launched and national rural health management जो है मिशन जो है हेल्थ मिशन, इट वाज लॉन्च्ड. कब लॉन्च किया गया? 2005. अब अगर यहाँ पे पूछा जाता है NUHM नेशनल अर्बन हेल्थ मिशन का तो उसका आंसर होगा 2013. बट यहाँ पे हमसे पूछे रूरल का, तो रूरल आंसर इज 2005. Next was the health management. The state is also initiating a health management information for the online reporting, जिसे ऑनलाइन रिपोर्ट किया जा सके, analyze the variety of the medical data which are necessary for the health care, जो बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. Fine students, now question number 1, 2 and 3 is clear to you. Now question number 4 and question number 5. I will make the PDF for the question number 4 and 5 and send it to you. Read it carefully. If you have any doubt, then you can ask to me, students. Fine. So thank you. Have a nice day. सारे questions को करेंगे. First thing, there is no need to do the tick the options and true and false in your copy. Notebook में नहीं करने हैं. आपको जो भी करना है, first आपकी जो word meaning आते हैं बुक में वो, इसके बाद मैंने कुछ शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स कराई है वो करनी है. देन आपका चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर से. फाइन. इन्हें आप अपनी बुक में रखें. बुक में आपकी सबकी स्पेस दे रखा है बहुत अच्छे से, ताकि आपको बुक से पढ़ने की आदत हो. फाइन. सो दीज वर्क ओनली इन द बुक. फाइन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ओनली इन बुक and rest of the all work which we are doing, question number 3, 4, 5 extra question answers you have to mention in your notebook. Fine students, thank you and have a nice day.